Hey there, I thought I'd make a little video on these range safe knobs. A little review and install. I got one knob to install still. But I have a Samsung stove. I bought this about 10 years ago. It's pretty old. But we have an issue with our dog. He likes to put his paw up here to see what's on top of the stove. And sometimes he'll run across this knob and turn the gas on. It's too easy. Plus we have a new baby. And we figured, we might as well get something to prevent the baby from turning it on and the dog. Everything I saw on the internet was ugly and seemed like it wouldn't work that well. Like, I don't know. I just removing the knob every time to start it or putting these little plastic covers on it. I didn't like it. So I figured I'd look up something else, and I came across these. The brand is Range Safe. Basically, the way it works is you cannot turn it unless you push these in, push in, and then turn. Safety knobs. I'm already impressed. That's pretty cool. And I chose a brushed stainless steel, and it matches pretty dang good. So so far I'm impressed. I haven't had a chance to actually use them for a long period of time, but let's go ahead and show how I installed it. Pull this knob off. It comes with a bag full of these of different sizes. You want to find the letter, like my stove uses the A. And the way you know is when you push it on, it only goes on so far. You don't want to push too hard. You want to have the little tab in there halfway. And then remove, oops, sorry, I forgot to do this. Remove this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. And by the way, I had this surface cleaned off. I used a alcohol wipe from a glasses cleaner. Push it on, kind of line up the little outer bezel. Push on, give it a little push. There. Okay. And she's on. Overall, this is impressive. I really like it. I really do. So if you're looking into getting one of those range safe knobs, yes, I will let you know up front. They're expensive. But I mean, if you don't care about looks and want to go with the plastic ones, go for it. They work just as well. But I like the functionality and the looks of these, and I think it's totally worth the price. But again, this is a Samsung range. This works on a variety of different ones, so if you're interested in getting them, at least give it a shot. All right, thanks for watching.